There is an AI for everything nowadays. You can use AI to roleplay, to search for information, you can even use AI to generate videos. And I have to admit, I find pretty interesting seeing experiments with AI, as long as AI is not taking over the world. Anyway, among the many AI programs in existence, there is an AI program that generates audio for your video. This is how that program works. If you have a video without any sound, all you have to do is to give that particular video to the program, then you can write a small description about how you want the video to sound like, and then the program will generate audio for your video according to how it thinks the video sounds like. Pretty interesting if you ask me. But here is a question. How does AI think race cars sound like? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's give this program some clips that contain race cars and let's see how the final result is going to be like. Let's start with some rally cars. Audi Quattro S1. Lancia 037. Subaru Impreza. Lancia Stratos. Ford Focus RS. Now let's try with some Formula 1 cars. Ferrari 640. Tyrrell 003. McLaren MP420. Sauber C29. Toro Rosso STR13. And now let's try with some clips from NASCAR races. So, what do you think? Is AI good at producing race car sounds? Comment below. But before we finish this video, let's see if that AI program can make an electric race car sound better. So let's take that clip that contains an electric race car and let's write in the description: a powerful race car with a petrol engine starts loudly as it roars its V8 engine. Alright, let's see what we get.